People want to create a Shopify store and pay the Shopify and the hassle of shipping and refunds and dealing with customers and all of that. Check this out. He doesn't have to do anything like that. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. As you might already know, or if you don't know, my name is Enes and I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to jump in below or just check out my Instagram right here below me or in the description box. And if you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. So today I'm going to show you how to advertise your Shopify store completely free. Yes, I really mean it. You can actually advertise your Shopify store completely free without having to pay for advertisements or paid ads or anything like that. And I did make a video earlier on my channel about dropshipping with no money. And I did share some examples, which is they use SEO for driving traffic to their website. And it does actually work for them. But they use blogs and they try to implement the blogging techniques into Shopify store. And it does actually work. And they do drive traffic through the search engine. So they don't need to pay any more ads. They do drive traffic through the search engine, which is blogs optimized based on keywords for their products. And they do make sales based on that traffic, which is completely free. And also it's stable traffic. So those keywords, they will always people be looking for them. So whenever someone search for the keywords, they will find those blogs or Shopify stores and they can buy the product they are looking for. However, today I will show you a completely different approach for this, which is organic views from social media. And I will show you in this video only TikTok application or TikTok platform, because I did come across earlier some Shopify stores that are making sales only from free traffic on TikTok platform. And they use different techniques. Each store use different techniques, but in this video, I will try to do research myself. I did not set up any stores or anything like that. I will access TikTok platform and I will search for some particular keywords, for examples, and we will find some videos and from them we can discover some stores. I don't know if this will work, but I'm sure it will. So I hope so. I hope so it works because I'm trying to make a video here anyway. So obviously, as I said, TikTok platform. So let's just access TikTok platform. And here we are. So as you might already know, there is a lot of keywords that are based on products, which is, I did mention a lot of them in my videos. For example, TikTok made me buy this, take my money, which is also a good one. I did find some really good product with the take my money hashtag with take my money keyword. Also, let me think for some keywords here just for people that are interested. Also, Amazon finds, buy now, free shipping. There is a lot of keywords. I'm not going to go through all of them right now. Anyway, so let's go for this demonstration for Amazon finds. The first thing we're going to do is use one of those keywords. And by the way, I will put some of them in the description box. So let's just go for Amazon finds as the first one, because Amazon finds is really big keyword. So that will be easier for me to find an example for demonstration to show you guys. So I'm going to type in here Amazon finds without any space, obviously. After that, we need to make this a little bit precise for a specific niche. So in this demonstration, let's just go for LEDs. So let's just type in Amazon find his space LEDs like this. Let's just hit enter and we will get a bunch of videos. Let's just access the tab for videos from here. Just so TikTok platform would only give us videos. And here we go. So as you can see, this is products that are based on LEDs and from not from Amazon actually. They just use this keyword. You can find them on AliExpress or any dropshipping platform. You can find those products. There's not Amazon only. They use the hashtag because they're really famous. So let's just scroll down to find some products. What is this? I think I saw this before. Yeah, this is a good product. This is a good example. Let's just open up this profile just for demonstration. Oh, I think I saw these glasses before. Yeah, these are really cool glasses. I've seen them before. Let's just access this profile as well. Oh, check this out. 1.5 million views. That's a lot. That's a lot. So, yeah, this is the product with the glasses. Yeah, this is the profile. Oh, so Oh, so I think I hit the jackpot from the first go. Check this out. It says free shipping worldwide. Fast delivery. Get it here. So obviously he is making a good profit, so he can give you free shipping worldwide. That's how you can tell it's actually a dropshipper. So as you can see, yeah, products here, yeah, glasses here, and this is some kind of teddy bear with lights or something like that. Yeah, this is another ball here. What is this? So this profile posts videos about this particular product, which is based on LEDs. This is a ball, LED ball like this. Yeah, it's like disco thing, something like that. This is glasses, neon glasses or something like that. I can't remember the name. So when this is some kind of teddy bear with lights or something like that. No, this is a jar teddy bear. Okay, that's cute. That's actually cute. So let's just access his store just to check out what he's selling basically on his store. And as you can see, 80,000 followers and over 200,000 likes. And it's pretty normal. Everyone presses the like button on TikTok because there is a lot of kids and girls on TikTok. So this is, yeah, open anyway. Thank you, TikTok. You are afraid for our safety, I guess. So you can obviously tell this is a Shopify store. But it's just from the message here, just from this drop message, and also this icon. This is obviously a Shopify store. Let's just scroll all the way down. No, it does not say powered by Shopify, but hey, you are watching on our channel. Nobody can hide that from you. You can simply right click and click on inspect, which is the last option here. In any browser, this will work. And here we go. I don't have to work or do anything. You see here, it says cdn.shopify.com. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network, which is the network they use to deliver content and elements on the Shopify stores that's using Shopify, obviously. So this store is using Shopify. We know that for sure. So let's just check the product. I didn't even check the products. I came straight to the powered by Shopify. And here we go. This is the teddy bear jar or bottle. Yeah, this is a bottle. I thought it was a jar. This is the bottle. And this is the glasses we see. And those glasses don't exist on his profile, I think. No, they don't. So this is tell us one thing, which is he had problems with this product. I don't know what kind of problems, but as you can see, it still exists on his store, but on the profile, he removed all the videos. So obviously he did have some problems with that profile, with the product, sorry. That's why he doesn't have it on his profile, I guess. Or something else. Some issue, shipping or whatever. So as you can see, this is obviously a dropshipping store and it does sell those products. This is Astro glasses. He sells them for $15 or $16. Astro glasses. Reverse image this and we can find where he's actually getting the product from. And here we go. eBay, Shopee, Lazada. Shopee and Lazada is an Asian. It's like Amazon for Asia. eBay again, AliExpress. They probably will be the same color, the £6, which is like $8, 6.88. Looks like $8. So here is another one's the same price, I guess. So those products are really, this is I think Malaysian ruble or something like that. I can remember. Yeah, this is, well, let's check AliExpress. No longer available. If we scroll down, we can see some of them here. Yeah, I guess AliExpress don't have them anymore. But we can search, we can find them everywhere. So obviously this is a dropshipping store and it does sell those products, just driving traffic through TikTok, and it does not have any paid ads or anything like that. Just the videos would drive people to his profile and click the link and buy it. And also I saw a different trick people use, which is adding the link on the video, adding the name of the website on the. He doesn't have to do this link in bio thing on the text on the video. It does actually directly have the link. This is a really good idea to put the 50% off and free shipping. Yeah, people love that. Who doesn't? So right now we got one example. How about we try another example, just to show you guys this is actually works for a lot of products and a lot of niches, not just LEDs that I did search for right now. So let's just close all this and let's just replace LEDs with something like, I'm sorry, I don't script my videos. I only improvise. That's why I only can think of things like on the spot like that. So I'm limited, but I got used to it, I guess. So gadgets, let's just go for gadgets without S, just gadget. So this is another, what is this? This is a cool product, I guess. Yeah, this is a really good product. Better gifts, 3.2 million views. Yeah, no, thank you. No, I don't have a TikTok account. I have the ads one, not the profile so I can scroll. I don't have time for that. And here we go, 1 million likes, 63,000 followers. And this is all products as you can see here, which is gadgets, and not all of them gadgets, but they are cheap products. They are the low ticket products, which is good because they sell well. Cake.com. I don't know where I saw this cake before. Yeah, this is a service for the bio links, I think. Oh, check this out. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. This guy doesn't have to do store, doesn't have to create a Shopify store, doesn't have to deal with the shipping, doesn't have to deal with the refunds, doesn't have to do anything. This is an affiliate from Amazon. See, he simply make the videos or repost them. I don't know. Post the videos, put the link in here. He doesn't even pay for this. It's free, I think. Cake is free. Let me check, please. Let me check his cake is free. Yeah, sign up for free. Look. This is free. It doesn't pay anything. He just make the videos, post them or repost them. I don't know. And link everything in this page that he can sign up for free from here. So anyone who clicked from this page, he get a commission. Anyone, for example, if I clicked on this mushroom light, it will take me to Amazon. So if I bought it for $16, he get a commission. As far as I remember, I did work as an Amazon affiliate before, and it's really good. The commission rate is really low. It's like 8% or something. I can't remember. I don't know right now how much is it, but it was back then really low. So as you can see, $16 for this product. And how to know or how to tell if he is making money from each purchase he does. In case he didn't say this in his profile, what is his bio link? In case he didn't write this. For example, someone sent you a link. How to know if it's actually a referral link and he will make money from your purchase? That's easy. Just click on the link that he sent you. For example, we did click on the mushroom light. Just click here. And as you can see, hold on, I didn't see anything yet. Check this out. It says here, link code. It says here, link code tag equals better gifts. So the code better gifts is his referral link. Or maybe the link ID, the link ID, which is this one right here. The link ID, which is his referral ID. That's how to know if it's actually an affiliate or not. So wherever he makes a purchase, he will make some bucks from it. And it's really obvious because he's already mentioned that in his, so he earned from qualifying purchase, which is fine by people, but this gives you an idea. People want to create a Shopify store and pay the Shopify and the hassle of shipping and refunds and dealing with customers and all of that. Check this out. He doesn't have to do anything like that. He makes the videos, link them on this profile he creates for free on cake.com, and he can just earn money wherever someone purchases a product from this page, and he doesn't have to deal with the shipping or anything that's an Amazon site. So that's really good an idea. I was trying to find some Shopify stores, but this is actually better, as you can see. So is it possible to drive traffic completely free and advertise your Shopify store completely free? Here it is. Here you go. This is for you. This is actually really possible. And as you can see, people already doing it. And the profile that we saw earlier before this one has Shopify store. This one has an affiliate, so it does work really good for them, as you can see. And you can scroll down here and you can see a bunch of them. I can't do that because I'm trying to give you the idea, not show you how to do it. You figure out yourself. Otherwise, I think my job is done. So if you guys have any questions or any video requests, make sure, as I said, to drop them below, or just check out my Instagram right here in the description or below me. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.